Welcome back, guys. We've got a great recipe for you today, making the most of the last of the stone fruit season. We've got some plums here, all sorts of different varieties. I'm gonna make a plum clafoutis. This recipe is so easy. All of the mixing is done in the Vibe blender. All of the base ingredients go straight into there. We mix it up very quickly and pour it straight into a pie dish. To get started, I'm just gonna prep this pie dish with some melted butter and some coconut sugar. I'll show you how to do that now. Use a pastry brush to brush the base of the pie tin with around a tablespoon of butter. Then dust it with 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar and tip off the excess. Now I'm gonna cut 8 plums in half, and then I'm gonna put the rest of the ingredients into the blender jug. To the blender jug, add 3 eggs, 1 cup of homemade yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of coconut sugar, half a cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of tapioca flour, or you could use gluten-free flour or even regular all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Then blend it on smoothie mode for around 20 seconds. Arrange the plum halves cut side up into the pie dish, and then pour the custard straight from the blender jug into the pie dish between the plums. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes or until just cooked through and golden on top. Let it cool slightly, dust with a little bit of icing sugar if you like, and then serve warm. So that's our simple, easy and delicious plum clafoutis using gluten-free, high-quality ingredients. An awesome one for the family. We're gonna scoop some out and give it a try. Don't forget, hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. And if you do give this one a go at home, then let us know what you think in the comments section below. And if you liked this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll catch you again really soon with another great recipe.